everyone, welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Karataline Shabir with a new tutorial today. Today, I'll show you how to create and edit stunning images in just a few minutes. For free, we'll use fast, beginner-friendly tools with no cost, no watermarks, and no complex editing steps. We'll use fast, beginner-friendly tools with no cost, no watermarks, and no complex editing steps.
So what you're basically going to do is that you're going to go to the URL section and you're going to search for Flux Playground Black Forest Labs. I've put the link in the description for easy access. Now click on the first link that you can see. Now there are four options which you can choose from. The first is generate, the second is edit, third is fill, and the last is expand. We'll discover and learn about each of these one by one. Let's go on the first one, which is generate. Now here you can see this is the prompt box where you have to write the prompt. Here you can add the image. Here you can choose your models, and here on these three dots you can set the aspect ratio. I'm going to put it to 1 by 1 and increase and decrease the backgrounds. And then you can also put the output format either to JPG or PNG. And then simply click over here. So I'll quickly enter my prompt and I'm going to click over here. So it is getting loaded and I'll meet you then. So here, as you can see, our image has been created and it looks pretty good, and it was generated in very few minutes, actually seconds. It just took about 3 seconds to generate this thing. Now from here you can edit it, you can add it to favorites from here, you can rate it as that from here, and you can delete it from here. Next option is edit. Let's go over here. Wait a second. Firstly, let's download the image. Go to history and simply click left here and then click on download. Now it is downloaded. Now we go to edit. We're going to use the same photo and put that photo here. Now describe what you want to change in this image. For example, I want a sun to be on the left corner, slightly visible. So I'll quickly write it and meet you. So I've written my prompt to be, I want the sun to be slightly visible on the left corner and a few birds flying around. The visible spelling is incorrect. Visible. And when you're done, click on these three dots and you can put the things as you like. I'm just going to go for one and I'm going to click on this arrow here. And let's wait. So as you can see, it has generated our image in less than 5 seconds. And here's the result. It's here and the birds are here and here. It looks perfect, just the way I wanted it to be. Now click on download from here if you want, but I don't want it. Now the third option, fill. Now do the same over here. I'm going to bring in the same image. And now you're going to select the area which you want to fill. I want to fill this area, supposedly. And I'm just going to write add birds flying 3D. Looking at anything, this was the first thing that came into my mind, so I'm just going to go with it. Now I'll put this to 1 and enter. Now let's wait. So now here is our image, and it doesn't look that good, but yes, if you see that it's around a photo, then yes, it looks good. Now you can simply click on this one and you can download it from here just the way. Now you can also edit it from here and fill and expand it all the way. Now the last but not the least, expand. Now you can I'm going to do with the same image. I'm going to put it over here. And then you can choose the expansion, what you want it to be. You can also write the prompt here and you can add the height and landscape from here. I'm going to go with the portrait option, and that's it. Now click on these three dots again and choose the batch size and the steps and everything. Now click on these three dots again, and as you can see, it has expanded our image to perfection. So now click over here when you're good, fine with the result, and you can download and edit it from here. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification.